Edin Nkuranhyensem. Me am tejumade ho cha me mediam nyeso ya Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegu. Ene me den nsem bi ekoso ama abrabo mu nioma esombo asa ekura wonsa no. You have a life to run and live. You have a life to run and live. And you cannot allow the issues of life to detain your destiny. Can't you I have a life to live. I have a life to run. And I cannot allow the issues of life to detain my destiny. You can't detain us out here. Say, so be achiwa koshe baby no atuprumu. O abrabo bi ese wobo. O nimde bi ese wo na dia abrabo mu. O ade bi ese wo ye ka abrabo ho. O sibon bi ese wo na dia ma abrabo. E ma abrabo akoto krane enipa no kasa enka sa ne ye nkoshe. E ma obi ni ye. E ma obi hwehwe wo bi. E ma obi suban bi ne kasa bi enka abrabo nhye. Na kai se abrabo a wo boyi etoji wankasa esese wo ma abrabo kwan na ne anim ye bia eba so use every day to follow the path towards your destiny abrabo e wo ne nti a wo baaye unim se wo de nti a wo ba wiase. There's a reason why you were made the way you were made. There's a reason why you were made a Gan and a Khan from the Volta region, from Northern region, wherever, Brungahafu, Western and Central. There's a reason why you are called the way you are called. The reason why you are a woman or a man. For one reason or another, you were made for a reason. Find out where you were made and pursue that. That's only when you can reach your destinations in life. And away you say maybe, and away for Hano, ye miss my phobia. And you'll be a brabo and a casa babo. One casa, or didn't tell baby, I say. You have a defined destiny to pursue. Therefore, every day, create pathways towards your destiny. To be a bet yadie. To be a enkoye. Me sata brabo and send me and I made to my dream proso. And send me and sape and a bomb brabo home by. Me can't tell. Life goes on. Life goes on. Abrabo ekoso. Whether I'm happy, whether I'm sad, whether I'm strong, whether I'm weak, life goes on. If I'm intelligent, life goes on. If I'm stupid, life will go on. If I'm wise, life will go on. If I'm stupid and foolish, life will still go on. Wherever I am, life will go on with who I am. Abrabo bekomu akoso said ya metie bia no e na baba fa so ebubra ma me entimi sata abrabo no me da say mo tuma dwempo so say life goes on abrabo ekoso and life goes on with what I am and who I have in my life abrabo ekoso ne nyina so ene nipa ameyo ene nipa wo kama abrabo amede bubra. Who are you? Me nka say we Mrs. Wine and Mr. Wine. You can who are you? Hina wa ho odne ehye. What are your strengths? Your strengths define who you are. For me, my strengths are into motivation. My strengths are into respect. My strengths are into communication. Me ma ho odne e wo me no eye enkuranhye. Ma ho odne eye nokuredie pepepe yo. Ma ho odne eye kasapa. These are my strengths. There are other ones. So say nipa bia unu nua eye wa ho odne abrabom na kai say abrabo be koso na ekoso no etwe akọ na de de twe akọ no eye nia wo yo suban wo ene won e ben wo. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, triumphs and challenges. Abrabo eye akwantio ya wo ketekete nyesa na hote ne dey wanyini ebi say wanyini na woni sika da bank abrabo nyina so onye sika wanya abrabo nyina so enye fa ho niam awde fa ho na enye ajapade. You know, life is bigger than what you see as success. Me won krofo bi wadi nkunum abrabo munye sika wonya aye me modini no be aka sese be makwe hwehwani mu ba ye wo woni a wodi aka nipa no mu na enye sika wonya aye wa bu kompona hwe abrabo mu na kaka nkrofo bi a wondi ema wo nkranhye na wondi e kire wo se nipa wa bu brapa na kai se wo japade bi ana me nka Yesu Kristo di nkire wo wa hono amanfo aye hwehwemu ahwe ye hu se Yesu otokai ana osidampo no nipa mo ne efupon na otena kire kokoro mu no beda akotokai wahu ye na ye ni abreja pade kese na ama ye wire free de nti e boy yen ya pade nti wo mfa ni die ma wukunu ya pade nti wo mfa woni die ma wo yere ahonya die nti wo mfa ni die ma wo adwuma wura kro no na wo bo adwuma mu ho wahu eni bre a ejina ajapade ni sika so nti no ama ya pare ya brabo ye nti e ba wiase nso brabo ekoso adechi bi ekoso adesen bi brabo paso ekoso ni awo ye adechi ni adesen mu no ebe kire na abenya abrabo ya kwantrio a ni nyina so ni bi ye foro ebu ani ahwase ebu ye gina tintin ebu ani abubu ni nyina kosi se ni abegina wo nanso aye eja wodian wo nchimba adwen so no na be cheso abubura ni mobi owu eja ne sika a ne sika se ahye ni mobi owu a oja adan bebre so yenka ne mpo ni obi a wanya dan na ne suba ne ye odada di enti no ama ne di aka nipa num ye fe no ejapade a eka sunsum ejapade ye wo ejapade a hodo miensa ye wo ejapade a eye hunam ejapade material things ye wo ejapade a wo sunsum ene wo ejapade a ka nipa adwene mu. 3 properties in life. Which one are you building? Well, we see there, yeah. Yeah? But don't forget to leave spiritual and mental properties as well. Papa yeboy, unya dia eye. Unya sika dibi. Nanso kai se, ye wajapade mienu aka se wuja na chire. Spiritual property and mental property. Emu de na woja. What the answer there be anapa me pesika me pedin e bribe kase sebe abrabo anipa ense nipa bo na wo bo entro ekoba nyina wodi bi krono ekoba nyina wodi bi chese nioma eni se nipa yo ese ahonya de sika nti wo yo bi dan kwa ma obeka nchinagu na obehunu de beba abrabo akire me de ma abrabo me boy me pesika ba me sombo ma me eni se me jajapade ato nipa adwene proso ena nipa sunsum enwa he anwo major spiritual property na major mental property asema wonte bi da ho and dem aka kire say your japade ahodo miensa material or physical properties, spiritual properties and mental properties. Mesra wo say emra wo pe honam nyoma no ka hunu say wo ja sunsuma japade ene adwuma japade amanchirimba ene abusuafo ne oman na ye kawa ya nkawa nsu ya kawa bo nsama mawo asudimpa so uja chire papa emanipa yiri se bakasa ama onwato amenya hana menya spiritual property baako life goes on ediam yeso apostle Dr. Nita Kotego umamena Webek Ampedu na Thomas ni ade na camera fo ni sound fo nyina wadom ase wo a onya amrehwe me da ase papa koso ahwe badwamu wono nyame entina